Hey guys, it's George from Clipsby, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can turn an X post into a faceless YouTube video. This process is so easy and so cool because you can scroll X and you can find some interesting ideas and just plug them into our software here, Clipsby, and you can turn faceless videos just like that. It's so easy and it's so fast. So let's get started. Well, the first thing is to find an interesting X post. So I found this post from Mike Strives here. 5 things to look for in your $1 million SaaS idea. Is it worth charging $50? Is it B2B? Is it sticky? Is the market? Yes. So now I will take a screenshot of this X post. There you go. Save it to your computer. And now go to our tool here, clipsby.com, which you can turn text into an animated video in minutes, and create a new project. Now here you have the option to select a single presenter, one person presenting, and two presenters, multiple presenters here, and this will be like two characters. We'll have discussion and conversation between one another like on a podcast. I like this format very much because it's so engaging and so fun for YouTube. So X post example, and select multiple, click create. Alright, this is the basic interface of our software here. You have character A and character B. Now I will select here George, for example, and very interesting is that we support 100% custom characters. So you can create your own custom character with our library builder here, and you can also upload your own custom character here with 100% automatic AI lip sync animation. We're the only tool right now which supports a custom automatic lip sync animation with custom characters right now. So you have this option, it's so cool. But for this example, I will select George here, save changes. And for character B, I will select Aria here. Again, save changes. And you can select a background here from our own backgrounds, or you can upload your own custom background. So it's so cool. I will select this podcast background here, and again click flip here, and I will select again this podcast background. So as you can see, the two character setup here is ready. Now the fun part, it's so easy. Go to idea to script here, click idea to script, and from this button here you can upload the screenshot. So click it and upload the screenshot. So this is the screenshot, click open. There you go. Now, super basic prompt. Just explain this X post. That's it. Photo and a simple prompt, explain this X post. Now you can change the maximum duration. Basically, to make the video longer or shorter, I will leave it to 1 minute just to serve as an example. And you can also change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate, and instructional. I will leave it to educational. Also, you have to click replace existing script here to replace the basic script of the project that you're starting with. So click generate script and let's watch the magic happens. And there you go, the script is ready. Let's see. Hey Aria, have you seen Mike Strives tweet about evaluating a successful SaaS business idea? Yes, I did. It's pretty interesting how he breaks it down. Can you explain it to me a bit? Yeah, sure. He tweets Alright. As you can see, this is so amazing. Now very cool also is that you can select this part of the text if you want, and you can insert a photo. So I will upload the screenshot here, select the screenshot, click open, and just like that we've insert the photo only to this part of the George. If you want, you can also insert it to Aria also. There you go. And now we have the photo here. If you want, you can also select the part of the text where you want the photo to appear. So if you want to appear only on the part of sure, select only this part, sure, and insert photo. You can also generate an AI photo if you want. Just type some prompt here, AI photo, and generate, and it will give you some photo here. Alright, but I will remove this, so clear image. And if you want this photo here to appear on the full animation, you can just click Option A or Control and A to select the whole text and you can insert the photo to the full text and the photo will appear on the full video. The other interesting part here is that if you want, you can edit the text. So like this, basically, like you're editing a document in Google Docs, you can type some stuff here on the part of Arya or on the part of George if you want, type some stuff. This is a text editor, so it's so easy. Also, if you want to add some stuff here, for example, Arya to continue speaking, just go here and click plus to Arya, or just typing Arya will add the character to the script. So click Arya, and as you can see, Arya is added here, and you can type the part of Arya. Hello, I'm here. See? And just like that, it will create this part. It's so easy. So I remove this, and I will add subtitles to this video. Go to project settings and click embed subtitles to video. And that's it. Everything is ready. And now, if you like the script, I will leave it just like this. Just go to the only button here, start render, click it, and let's render our video. Now a box will appear here that will show us that our video is rendering right now. And our video here is ready. I will click video here to download it, and I will show it to you guys.
Hey Arya, have you seen Mike Strive's tweet about evaluating a successful SaaS business idea?
Yeah, I did. It's pretty interesting how he breaks it down. Can you explain it to me a bit more?
Sure, the tweet highlights 5 key factors to consider. First is pricing. He suggests charging at least $50 per month. It's about ensuring the service can generate enough revenue.
Makes sense. What about the B2B focus?
That's the second point. A business-to-business service often has more stable clients, which is vital for sustainability.
And stickiness. What's that about?
Stickiness means the service should solve a significant problem, so users stick with it over time. It's about ensuring continued use.
I see. And what does he say about market size?
The market size, or total addressable market, needs to be large enough to support growth. That's crucial for scaling the business.
Finally, what about competition?
It's about ensuring the competition is profitable, indicating a viable market. Mike suggests evaluating these factors to predict SaaS success.
Alright guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you like it. But now, think about something. Imagine how many videos you can create like this. Hundreds, potentially. You can test different YouTube channels like this very fast. So just you have to go to X, find some interesting posts, and you can create faceless videos just like that. Very easy with just a prompt. It's amazing how easy and fast it is. So yeah, if you want to check our tool here, Clipsby, I will leave a link to the description, and you can see how different and cool videos you can create with it. So yeah. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.